Welcome to Drone News Now, your trusted source for breaking news in the drone industry. Today's episode is a big one: the secrets of the DJI ban the government won't tell you. After meeting with several insiders from the new Trump administration over the past week, we now have clarity on what's really happening with the DJI ban. Let's get straight to it. For years, we've heard rumors and speculation about an all-out DJI drone ban in the US. But what's the actual plan? Here's what we've uncovered. A DJI ban is coming, but not all at once. The transition will likely take 4 to 5 years. There will be government-backed programs to help pilots transition. That's right. Market insiders suggest that instead of an immediate, catastrophic ban, the US government will phase out DJI usage gradually, giving drone pilots time to pivot without destroying the industry overnight. And here's the kicker. Subsidy programs are already being discussed to help pilots transition away from DJI to domestic drone manufacturers. This means you won't be forced to stop using DJI drones tomorrow. You'll likely have financial incentives to switch to American drones. Public safety and government operators will be the first to transition. But make no mistake, this isn't just speculation. The push to transition to American-built drones is real. The government sees this as a national security move and a critical opportunity to build a competitive U.S. drone industry. What this means for drone pilots. So, what should you do to prepare for this shift? Keep flying your DJI drones for now. Start saving for a domestic drone that fits your business needs. If you work in public safety or government contracts, expect tighter restrictions sooner. Best domestic alternatives right now. If you're thinking about transitioning, here are some of the best domestic options currently available. Freefly Astro, the most powerful NDAA-compliant drone for mapping, inspections, and cinematography. Skydio X10, a game-changer in autonomous flight, built for public safety and commercial inspections. Wingtra 1 Gen 2, a fixed-wing mapping powerhouse for surveyors. There are other emerging American drone options, but we'll hold off on recommending them until we've tested them ourselves. Final thoughts. The future is clear. The DJI ban is coming, but the way it's happening might surprise you. It won't be an immediate shutdown, but a gradual transition over the next 4 to 5 years. Government programs will likely help soften the financial impact. Now is the time to start preparing so you're not caught off guard. If this update gave you the clarity you needed, like, subscribe, and share to keep other drone pilots informed. What do you think about the transition away from DJI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.